and my friend Agam is here to introduce you about Telangana under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. So this is the data of our school in EBFP. So let us first know about what is EBFP. It was launched on 31st of October 2015 by the Ministry of Education on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Goal is to celebrate India's diversity by pairing states in union territories to foster and deepen the understanding of each other's culture, tradition, and heritage.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Welcome. Telangana is a beautiful state with its rich culture located in South India. These are the files and models made by the students of our Vidyalaya on Telangana state under the scheme of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Telangana was declared a state on 2nd June 2014. There were many rulers such as Ganpati Deva and Vimulabda who built strong and beautiful temples.
Traditional places of Telangana. Telangana is a land of rich history and vibrant culture, showcased through its traditional places and monuments. Hyderabad, the capital city of Telangana, is known for its grand architects and historic places.